हाँ स्टार्ट करिए। हेलो स्टार्ट करिए। स्टार्ट ओके। Good afternoon, everyone. We'll start our today's questionnaire sessions on Indian geography. As we know that these questions are pivotal in your prelims. Basically, current year onwards, they have changed the pattern, and here they demand from the students more conceptual ability apart from your factual point. So let us have an sessions about this one. First question, sorry. Consider the following comparison of Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers in India. Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers in India. While the rivers of the Himalayan region follow highly serpentine course, they follow the highly serpentine course. The rivers of peninsular plateau flow through the rather straight channels, particularly. They flow through the straight channels. The hydropower generation potential of the Himalayan rivers is much larger than that of the peninsular rivers. Hydropower potential. This is also Himalayan rivers much larger than. This is also correct. Himalayan rivers they serpentine course. This is also correct. Peninsular rivers they flow on a hard caton or hard plateau. That is why Himalayan rivers are more serpentine. Correct case statement. This is your both 1 and 2. Next देखिए यदि because of the difference in the landforms, rivers of the Himalayan rivers follow highly serpentine courses, while the rivers in the peninsular plateau flow through rather straight channels. Basically, the channels peninsular rivers are deeply cut. They are deeply cut, and their course has become almost stable. ऐसा इनका channel peninsular rivers they are the deeply cut, and the course have become almost stable. This is not a case yet for the Himalayan rivers. Peninsular rivers channel they are deeply cut and the course have some become almost stable. That means they flow in a hard rocky surface. Igneous rock surface ऊपर ही से माने बहुत चंदी, and that was the reason main कि काहे की से माने majorly ये कर चंदी. Why they are less serpentine in compared to your Himalayan. Due to large volume of water in the Himalayan rivers, they have a much larger potential for generating hydroelectricity in comparison to the peninsular counterparts. In comparison to the Himalayan rivers, they have much larger potential for generating hydroelectricity. But the potential of generating hydroelectricity in the Himalayan region lies utilized because of the several reasons, including the distance from the areas of power demand, particularly. Next question देखिए. Where is Mayur Kasi project situated? Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, West Bengal and Maharashtra. Here it is. Mayur Kasi is in West Bengal. Mayur Kasi project is in West Bengal. That is. Next, which of the following is not matched correctly? आ भितर match correctly किए नुह. Next देखिए which of the following not correctly match? उकाई project river तापी, सरदार सरोवर river नर्मदा, फरक्का river यमुना, सलाल river चेन्नब. Which one is not wrongly matched? I mean sorry, it is not matched correctly. Wrongly matched. It is Farakka river Yamuna because Farakka river is on your river Ganga. Next देखिए 2 रे West Bengal देखिए Mayurkasi river is a tributary of the Hooghly river. Hooghly river tributary Mayurkasi, and it rises from the Chota Nagpur plateau and flows through the Bihar and West Bengal. Mayurkasi river कथा तुम कहबी Mayurkasi. यदि मैं diagram टा बनो चाहूँ more clarity. Ganga Nadi comes through here. Your Hooghly river is a stream. Mayurkasi, this is Mayurkasi, and this is your Rihand. Both tributary of your Hooghly. It's a multi-purpose project of West Bengal to create irrigation potential, generate power, and control floods and erosion, Farakka barrage is a barrage across the Ganga river located in Murshidabad district. Farakka barrage located in the Murshidabad district in the Indian state of West Bengal, only 18 kilometers from the border with West Bengal near Sahibganj. Farakka barrage is an across the river Ganga, जोटा कि मुर्शिदाबाद district West Bengal रो, जोटा कि Farakka barrage है just roughly 18 kilometer Bangladesh border to near Sahibganj. Farakka barrage township is located in Farakka. Farakka barrage township is located in the Farakka community development block, Sira district. Construction was started in 1961 and completed 1975 at the near about 157 crore. Then Farakka barrage we shall call Farakka barrage. Basically, the is a multi-river valley project. It hasn't particularly. It has many dimensions in terms of providing the irrigation, then your HEP generation, hydroelectric power generation, third HEP, then your conservation, conservation of your water, so that to use in lean period. Lean mane khara din. During the dry month, this particular reservoir will prove beneficial or helpful to the community that dwells there. 4 number देखिए, which of the following are the objective of National Horticulture Mission? Objective of NHM. for integrated development for horticulture. Integrated development for horticulture. Supply of quality planting material, supply of products and productivity improvement, creation of infrastructure for post-harvest management. Correct statements from the codes given below. यदि मेरी आंसर दिखेगा, all are correct. D for Delhi. This is so it is because there is clearly sponsored scheme launched by 2005-6. Promotion of the holistic growth of the horticulture sector comprising of fruits, vegetables, roots and tuber crops. Fruits, vegetables. Okay. Mushroom, spices, flowers, aromatic plants, cashew and cocoa. These are the main. So supply of quality planting material through establishment of nurseries and tissue culture units, production and productivity, improvement of programs through area expansion and rejuvenation, technology promotions, technology dissemination, and spread kariba, human resource development, creations of infrastructure for post advantage on. Okay. So NHM was earlier running as an independent program. Now next which of the following is not true about the Rihand Dam, Rihand scheme? It is a man-made river, Rihand. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Its purpose is to hydroelectric generation. Rihand scheme, all of the above are incorrect. Not true. It is D for Delhi. Which of the following are incorrect? These. Which of the following match correctly? Nagarjuna Sagar, River Krishna, Kakrapada, Kosi, then Matai Tila project, Chambal, then Tawa project, River Satluj. Okay, so is match correctly? That is your it is Nagarjuna Sagar, River Krishna. Okay, answer. Rihand Dam is also known as Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Dam. Rihand Dam is also known as your Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar Dam is the largest dam of India by volume. By volume of water store capacity. Rihand Dam. The reservoir of Rihand is called Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar and is India's largest artificial lake. Border lake. Rihand Dam is a concrete cavity dam located in the Pipri in Sonpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Pipri in the Sonpur district of Uttar Pradesh in India. Its reservoir areas are reservoir area, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. It is located in the Rihand river, the tributary of the Son. So Rihand is a tributary of the Son. Rihand is located on the Rihand river. Rihand is a tributary of Son river. Then Nagarjuna Sagar, jota ki river Krishna upare baharuchi, that is also correct. Next, which of the following hill ranges dominated by Dodabeta peak? Dominated by the Dodabeta peak. Dominated by the Dodabeta peak. Allamalla, Kadamam, Annamalai, Nilgiri. Answer is your Nilgiri. Nilgiri is famous for your Doda Beta peak. Next. Which of the following water bodies separate Andaman from Nicobar? Andaman को निकोबार के separate करछे. This is your 10-degree channel. C. It देखिए. Dodabeta peak is the highest peak. It's the highest peak of Nilachal. Sorry, highest peak of Nilgiri Mountains in Tamil Nadu. Nilgiri Mountains रे हमें जति करियो Nilgiri Mountains जोटा कि कैन कह होची Cardamom Annamalai Nilgiri. कैन Cardamom Annamalai and Nilgiri. एइथिरे ही तमरो ହେଲା maximum. This is Nilgiri. Then 10-degree channel देखियो separates Andaman from Nicobar Islands. It completely lies in the completely lies in the Andaman Sea. So that is this is North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman, Little Andaman. It is देखियो 10-degree. Okay, so this is your Nicobar Island, particularly Nicobar. So this is your 10-degree channel. This is exactly I'm telling what it there Andaman. Next देखियो which of the following rivers is not a part of Panchnath? The Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Ravi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Because not part of your Panchnath, then it is your Indus. Indus का जो the tributary, that is your left bank. Left bank आउ जदि आम देखा right bank, तो एमाने light left bank रे जो अच्छे से maximum they are Chiraswata. Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi, Satluj bees. Next, which of the following region supports the Karewa Formation? Karewa Formation के Northeast Himalayas, Himachal, Himachal Uttaranchal Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas and Kashmir Himalayas. Supports Karewa Himalayas. को Karewa एठी बुझियार अछि Karewa Formation टा कोठी हुए mainly. It is your Kashmir Himalayas. Next देखिए Panchnath River 5 is a river and another extreme and hybrid district in Punjab, Pakistan. Panchnath River is found by a successive confluence of merger of the 5 rivers. Okay, namely Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beej and Satluj. Jhelum, Ravi join Chenab, Beej join Satluj, and the Satluj Chenab joins the your Panchnath. 10 miles north of the Punt Sarip in Muzaffargarh district, the combined stream runs southwest approximately 45 miles and joins the Indus River at Mithankot. The Indus continues to the drain at the Arabian Sea. A barrage on Panj line has been erected to provide the channels. Punjab and Sindh provide. Okay, so this is about the Panchnath River. What I mean to say that this particular place, Indus, it is very fertile. Very fertile Indus tributaries. They are very fertile. Kashmir Karewa Formation देखिए mainly at the Kashmir Himalayas. Karwa formation supports agricultural activities. Karwa formation देखियो, it supports the agricultural activity. Next देखियो, consider the following statements related to the Alkananda river. It originates in the eastern slopes of the glacial fields of Chowkhamba and joined by the Saraswati river near Manna. It flows in the Badrinath in front of the Badrinath temple. Then it meets Dholiganga river, which originates in the Niti Pass to form Vishnu Prayag, and the stretch of Alkananda river by Vishnu Ganga. So this stretch of Alkananda river is called Vishnu Ganga. Okay, so here we can say this Niti Pass, these both are correct, we can say. Hello. Online meeting, we'll talk later. So here both are correct. Okay, so which of the following longitudes is the standard meridian of India particularly? This is your C. C is the correct answer. 82.5 degree. That is your meridian, standard meridian of the. Alkananda is considered to rise at the confluence and the foot of your considered and foot of the Satopat and Bhagirathi Hakkar glaciers, Satopat and Hakkar glaciers in Uttarakhand, and meet in Sarabasti river tribute in Manna. Particularly, Alkananda considered as to rise at the confluence and foot of the Satopat glaciers. 3 km below Manna, the Alkananda flows past the Hindu pilgrimage center of Badrinath. 3 km below Manna, Alkananda flows particularly. The standard meridian of India is 82.5 degree east of Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian east. This is GMT line, Greenwich Mean Time. This is 82 degree 30 minute east. This meridian passes through the city Allahabad. It runs through the center of the country. In 1905, 1905 masiyare, the longitude is selected as the meridian to create the Indian Standard Time. Particularly, it is created as to create the Indian Standard Time. Next, which among the following region of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India? Region of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India: cyclonic depression, western disturbances, retreating monsoon, and southwest monsoon. Rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India. It is your western disturbances. B for Bombay. Next, which one of the following lakes is a saltwater lake? Sambar, Ullar, Dal, and Gobind Sagar. Saltwater lake kiya mitru. It is Sambar lake. western disturbances jodi mu kahibi, during winter season northeast trade winds prevail over the India. They blow from the land to sea, and hence for most part of the country it is a dry season, particularly dry season. This cause winter rains over the plains and snowfall in the mountains. Western disturbances that arise from the Mediterranean Sea, Mediterranean Sea arise hoche, they cause heavy winter rains, they cause heavy winter rains over the plains and snowfall in the mountain. It is because in this region these winds blow from sea to land, they blow from sea to land. It is because they blow from sea to land and thereby carrying moisture along with them, and they carry moisture along with them particularly. Sambal Lake jodi kahibi, Sambal Lake is India's largest saline lake. Sambal Lake is the India's largest saline lake and is the source of most Rajasthan salt production. Rajasthan salt production the main source. It produces 1 lakh, particularly 1,96,000 tons of clean salt every year. Prati varsha Sambal Lake produce करे your 1,96,000 tons of your clean salt every year, which is around 9% of India's salt production. Around 9% of India's salt production ke gochi Sambal Lake production gochi. Let's see here one picture I have showing. This is an Sambal Lake. This is due to heavy evaporation. Salt are getting accumulated. Heavy evaporation, your salt are getting accumulated. Next, the western coastal strips south of Goa is referred to as western coastal strips south of Goa is referred to as Coromandel, Kannad, Konkan, Northern Sirkar. Western coastal strips south of Goa particularly. It is known as your Kannad coast particularly. Western coastal strip, it is south of Goa particularly, it is known as your Kannad coast, south of Goa. Konkan also correct. Konkan is also correct, but if you it is Maharashtra Tode. Sorry, this is, we can say your Konkan. Kannada is specifically if it is given that your Karnataka. Okay, the most preferred is your C. Most correct, Konkan. 16 number देखिए, which of the following Indian territories of India will best suited for summer vacations if you choose Kabrati to visit? यदि Kabrati को जीवो visit करिया पे, which one is your best suited for your summer vacation? Pondicherry, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep and Diu Daman. Diu and Daman. It is your C, Lakshadweep. The western coastal strip south side of Goa, which is called Kannad. The length of this region from north to south is around 300 kilometers and or 190 meters, while the width varies 30 to 110 kilometers or 90 to 68 meters. Lakshadweep देखिए, Kabrati is the capital. नेक्स्ट देखिए which of the following is what is the another name of Sahyadris? It is Aravalli, Western Ghat, Himadri, and none of the above. Which one? It is your Sahyadri is another name that is your Western Ghats. Sahyadri is also known as your Western Ghats. Next देखिए consider the following about southwest monsoon. The bulk of rainfall is received during this season in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. Every part of India दरकार except Tamil Nadu. Blossom shower with this shower, coffee flowers bloom in Karnataka and its nearby areas. Blossom shower with this shower, coffee showers bloom in Karnataka and its nearby areas. Statements are correct किया भितरे The bulk of rainfall southwest monsoon received during the season is almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. This is correct. Blossom shower with this shower, coffee flowers bloom in Karnataka and its nearby your coffee flower blossoms. This is also correct. It is incorrect actually. It is not correct. Kahingi pre monsoon rahibo. So only one is correct. A. अच्छा देखिए the Western Ghat is also known as your Sahyadris. Sahyadris तो नाला it is an benevolent mountain. Diagram draw करें basically. The mountain range that covers an area of 1,40,000 square kilometers in stretch of 1,600 kilometers parallel to the western coast of Indian Peninsula, traversing the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. है पूरा पूरा कवर कर तमिलनाडु केरला कर्नाटका गोवा महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात. ठीक है the chronological order they are traveling Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Next देखिए 18 day this is only one is correct. जब हम देखिए the bulk of rainfall जो देखिए this is received during season is almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu coast. This is correct. कहीं Tamil Nadu coast ही केवल जी की your वर्षा साउथ वेस्ट मनसून पाहिनी है तमिलनाडु को जब मैं कहबी इट इज द ओनली वन जोटा कि रिट्रेटिंग मनसून ही वर्षा पाए ओनली. तमिलनाडु कोस्ट gets its rainfall from the retreating monsoon पकड़ी वर्षा ये देखिए वेस्टर्न घाट जोटा कि कह जाए तुम्हारा बेनेवोलेंट माउंटेन. ठीक अच्छे दिस इज आल्सो बेनेवोलेंट माउंटेन. ये माउंटेन range that covers an area near about 1,40,000 square kilometer in a stretch 1,600 kilometer parallel western Goa. This traversing the states Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. 19th, consider the following statements related to the Himalayan range. It forms the highest mountain range in the world, extending 2,500 kilometer over the northern India. Himalayan range it is extending 2,500, bounded by the Indus River in the west. Bounded by Indus River in the west and the Brahmaputra in the east. The three parallel ranges, that is Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks, have deep canyon caused by the rivers flowing in the Gangetic plain. Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks. Three parallel ranges, Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks. Deep canyon gauges caused by the rivers flowing in the Gangetic plains. Then correct K Avitru. Both are correct. Okay. From the highest mountain range in the world, extending over 2,500 kilometer, 8,000 kilometer above the northern India. Yes, it is correct. Next, which of the following statement is not correct? Kya Vitru? Trophic levels are energy levels within the food. Then, in deep oceans, primary production is almost high. In deep oceans, primary production is almost high. The primary consumers are called autotrophs, are primary consumer. And the decomposers are called saprotrophs, are decomposer. In deep oceans, primary production is almost high, which is not correct. Trophic levels are the energy levels within food. The primary consumers called autotrophs are the primary consumer. Decomposers called the sabotroph or this is called, your C is incorrect. 20. C your primary consumers are called is not correct. Are primary consumers. They are basically called autotrophs. They are basically your secondary consumers. They are not primary consumers. Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world, extending 2,500 km over the northern India. This is correct. This is bounded by your Indus River in the west and Brahmaputra in the east. Three parallel ranges, that is Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks. They have deep canyons in the Gangetic plain. Both are correct. Next, which of the following region is famous for the endangered olive turtle? Endangered olive turtle पे famous? Gahirmatha, Sagarmatha, Lakshadweep Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is your Gahirmatha, particularly. We can say it is your Gahirmatha. So the following is the highlights of the Rally for Valley program in India. Environmental degradation, biodiversity, resettlement of displaced people, loss of agricultural land. Valley for Rally, it is basically a program for your program for resettlement of the displaced people. It is in the So that is the cause and effect. Value for rally, it is basically your environmental degradations. Okay, sorry, environmental degradation program. '23 देखिए, which of the following is the first research project program that focus on the El Nino southern oscillations and its predictability? क्या भितर climate variability and predictability, global energy and water cycle experiment, global energy and water cycle experiment, global change and terrestrial ecosystem, tropical ocean and global atmosphere, tropical ocean and global atmosphere. Project program that focused on the El Nino southern oscillations and the predictability. El Nino southern oceans. क्या भितर El Nino southern ocean जदि कहबा, it is predictability is working on your your answers. We can say that one. It is B, global energy and water cycle experiment. Which one of the following statement is correct about biotic resources and abiotic resources, particularly biotic resources and abiotic resources? They are non-renewable and all the biotic resources are renewable. All the abiotic resources are non-renewable, and but some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. Some of the abiotic resources are renewable, but the biotic resources are renewable. Some of the abiotic resources are renewable and some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. The answer देखिए, it is B for Bombay. First research project program that focused on the El Nino southern oscillations किए and its predictability, that is your climate variability and predictability. You can say the climate variability and predictability. Climate variability and predictability ये तमरा करछु first El Nino southern oscillations ये ऊपर है एटा जदि हम देखिबा CLIVER is the world climate research program project that address climate variability and predictability. CLIVER को जाए climate research program that addresses climate variability and predictability with a particular focus on the role of ocean atmosphere interactions in climate. The role of ocean atmosphere interactions in climate. CLIVER is the world climate research program, particularly world climate research program project that addresses climate variability and predictability, with a particular focus on the role of ocean atmosphere. Focus on the role of ocean atmosphere interactions in climate. Ocean atmosphere interactions को mainly focus करे. CLIVER world climate research program. CLIVER है world climate research program जोटा कि CLIVER माने climatic variability and predictability with a particular focus on the role of ocean atmosphere interaction. Role of ocean atmosphere interactions particularly. It works closely with comparison to WCRP projects on the issues such as role of the land surface, snow and ice. Role of the land surface, snow and ice, and the role of stratospheric processes in climate. It works closely with the comparison of WCRP projects. on issues such as role of the land surface, role of the land surface, snow and ice, and the role of stratospheric process in climate. छब्बीस नंबर देखिए correct is correct about the biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources जदि मैं कहबी abiotic resources are non-renewable, but some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. All the abiotic resources are non-renewable. All the abiotic resources are non-renewable. Okay, but some of the biotic resources are non-renewable. This is your correct answers. Last two questions. Almaty Dam is one of which of the following rivers? Almaty Dam जदि मैं कहबी Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra and Malprava. Almaty Dam जदि हमें देखियो Almaty Dam is located on the your Kaveri River. Almaty Dam is located on the Kaveri River. Almaty Dam. Then the Pir Panjal range जदि मैं कहबी is located in which of the following states? Arunachal, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab and Uttarakhand. Pir Panjal range is located in the Punjab particularly. Pir Panjal range जदि हम देखिए Punjab कि states तो हमारी Pir Panjal range sorry it is which of the following states or union जदि हम देखिए it is here कि Jammu and Kashmir union territory आंसर है Jammu and Kashmir. देखिए Almaty Dam जदि हम देखिए Almaty Dam is on the project on the river Krishna. Sorry सेटा हम कावेरी कहते it is the Krishna river Almaty in northern Karnataka, particularly को जगह रे it is in the northern Karnataka. Almaty Dam is in the northern Karnataka. India was completed जोटा कि 2005 रे Almaty Dam one of the very important dam in terms of your Almaty Dam in terms of your irrigation, HEP productions, irrigation, hydroelectric power productions, then water conservation. Jammu Kashmir, the Pir Panjal range lie in the inner Himalayan region, running from east southeast to the west northwest. Pir Panjal range जोटा कि inner Himalayan range, Himalayan region running from east to Pir Panjal तुम्हारा run करचे generally east to southeast direction में माने like this. जैसे वेट करीबी east, west, north, south. तो east to southeast direction में Pir Panjal. This is a clear picture how the Pir Panjal runs. Runs from where? East, southeast to north west across Himalaya ta mane it runs like this one. Sorry ticket diagram करथले माने यदि करबी southwest direction रो towards northwest. Here this is northwest ना ए direction रे से मूव होछि northwest direction रे across the states Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir in India as well as the Pakistan and western Kashmir in Pakistan, where the average elevation particularly is 1400 to 4100. So Pir Panjal range जोटा कि mostly it is the Pir Panjal range lies in your middle Himalayas रे से lie करछि है middle Himalayas रे lie करिकी southeast to northwest direction रे जाउछि है across the states of your Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. हिमाचल प्रदेश और जम्मू कश्मीर रे मेनली फ्लो करछि पीर पंजाल ऊपर जदि म कहबी पीर पंजाल मिडिल हिमालयस रे फॉल करछि एंड मोस्टली तमर जाउछि जम्मू कश्मीर वर्तमान जदि देखियो मेनली हैला जोटा कि पीओके रीजन जदि कहउछ ना जोटा कि हमर भी हैला पीओके रीजन बट जानिबा पे एटा कुछ पीओके बट मोस्टली एटा हमरा जम्मू एंड कश्मीर आउ तापर जदि म कहबी इट इज इन द जदि देखियो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर आउ एटा हला हमर पर्टिकुलरली हिमाचल प्रदेश पर्टिकुलरली है ना हिमाचल प्रदेश रे एटा लाइक करछ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड हिमाचल प्रदेश रे बेरे क्वेश्चन कंफ्यूजिंग भी पचारे कि जंती हमें जानी चंती ट्रांस हिमालय रे मेन कोन काराकोरम लिखि जदि ट्रांस हिमालय में कहा कहू ट्रांस हिमालय तार सेग्रीगेशन दिस इज काराकोरम लद्दाख है देन कैलाश एंड झास्कर है ये तुम ट्रांस हिमालय अच्छा तापर जदि हम देखिबा हैला एटा हला मेनली जदि हम करबी मेनली तमर जदि आसीबो ए माने हला मेनली जोटा कि तमर काराकोरम लद्दाख कैलाश जदि हम एठी ड्रा करछु डायग्राम और हमर क्लैरिटी रहबो Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailash and Jhaskar. Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailash and Jhaskar. ठीक है सो दिस इज द वे जोटा कि हमें डिस्कस कले है कैलाश उपरे और भाव में पढ़ले आमर बहुत ही जिन आम वाइडली कवर कर है ना जमती कि मुझे क्वेश्चन देखिए आहरी भी यही क्वेश्चन देखिए फेमस फॉर द एंडेंजर्ड ऑलिव रिली टर्टल है जमी गाहिर मथा सागर मथा लक्षद्वीप एंड अंडमान निकोबार आई वुड सजेस्ट व्हाइल यू गो फॉर अदर ऑप्शंस आल्सो जदि तुम गाहिर मथा में जानले आंसर ऑलिव रिली टर्टल पे कोठी अछि इट इज इन द केंद्रापड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ओडिशा सागर मथा क्या कहुए सागर मथा है तुम माउंट एवरेस्ट अलग गोटे ना है दैट इज सागर मथा लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड कोठी अच्छी है आर ओरिजिन कौन लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड है इंडिया है वेस्टर्न अरेबियन सी अच्छी कोराल ओरिजिन अंडमान निकोबार कौन ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड ईस्टर्न रे अच्छी कौन एटा तुम अंडमान निकोबार जब तुम देखो यहाँ तुम मेनली अंडमान निकोबार जब देखो इट इज मेनली योर है बे ऑफ बंगाल रे अंडमान सी रे बे ऑफ बंगाल रे अच्छे ठीक अच्छे एगुड़ा क्वेश्चन भी जब ये व्हाट इज द अनदर नेम ऑफ सह्याद्रीज रे तब लिख पार सह्याद्रीज अलग ना है दैट इज जोटा कि आम जानले वेस्टर्न घाट सेमती आरावली कौन आरावली विषय जाने आरावली को केते एज 3 कह जाए कि प्री कैम्ब्रियन एरा नियर अबाउट 3500 मिलियन इयर्स एगो हिमाद्री है दिस इज द जोटा कि आम जान पारिया मेनली ठीक अच्छे सो आज ये विल नेक्स्ट एगुड़ा सेसन पढ़ले आमको बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा एंड थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू